morning, wherever you are. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening or good night. If this is your night from that part of the country or world where you are. This is the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. Let's come on board. This is the agreed time to have our free Igbo class. This is Let's Talk Igbo Language live. So wherever you are, this is the opportunity you have to learn Igbo language free of charge. So if you are seeing me now, you are fortunate. If you are interested in learning Igbo language, this is the place to be at this hour. It is 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 13:00 GMT every Saturday. So wherever you are, please begin to join this class now so that we can talk and learn Igbo language together. This free class is meant to teach you Igbo language from anywhere you are. Test your knowledge so far. You need to be here. It doesn't matter whether you're subscribed to our channel or not. Even if you have a YouTube channel, you still need to come around here. You will pick one or two things that will be useful to you in a way that you can use them to also upgrade your own learning, do your videos or whatever you need to do with it. So wherever you are, this is where to be at this hour. This is the time to learn and talk Igbo language live, free of charge. I am the Igbo tutor, Maz. I want to welcome those who are already in class now. I have Black Diamond. Good morning. Thank you for coming to class. I think Black Diamond, this is the first time you are joining our live class. If I'm right, please indicate by saying yes in the comment section or chat forum. Cherry Mango, Ihioma, thank you for coming to live class today. Cherry Mango, Soibifa, okay, Wakos, I think I'm right, Soibi, please correct me. I hope you are the one. I think you are Sherry Mango. Shoibi, is that? Am I right? Please say yes if I'm right. If Shoibi, Wilkos, you are Sherry Mango. I just want to be sure I get your name right. Are you the one? Please confirm if you are. Those of you who are already in class, please indicate you are here by dropping your greetings. That's how to say welcome, no, thank you, kedu. Anyhow you know how to greet, just greet us. Say something so that we can, recognize your presence in class and then drop our greetings to you. That is a way to mark your register. So say no. Okay, ndewo chikezie, ndewo. Sherry Mango, exactly, you are there. You are the one. Shoibi, okay. Chikezie is in class. I have, yes, this is the first time I've joined live. I usually watch the old recording. I am in the States. Great. That's Black Diamond. But I always like to call people by their name. So if you don't mind, Black Diamond, just let us know your Igbo name. If you oblige us to do that, we'll appreciate that. Or your English name or whatever. We like addressing people by their name. It makes our class more interactive. I want to call people by their names. So Black Diamond, if you don't mind, let me have your real name, not acronym, not alias. Let me have your name. Black Diamond, you've said you are from the States, appreciate. Chika, Laetitia, no, Chika. Where are you joining us from? I guess this is your first time joining our live class, Chika. If I'm right, say yes. And let's know where you are joining from, which part of the world are you joining from? Talking to Chika now. Then Black Diamond, I'm waiting for your real name. I want to call you by your name. It's important to me. I want to connect to you personally. So real Black Diamond, I need to have your name. For the purpose of those of us who are joining for the first time, a rule here is that when you join our class, you hit the like button to show support and solidarity to this channel, and then you hit the share button to get this live session out to more people so that they can also join our class. So like button, hit it, maybe under your window or up there. So I'm Black American and my name is Angela, but you can call me Angie. I prefer to call you Angie. Okay, hello everyone, Angie. You're welcome to class, Angie. Okay, Chika, yes, I'm first timer. I'm joining from Lagos, Nigeria. Whoa, my Lagos people, Eko ni Bajeo. Okay, so Chika, you're welcome from Lagos. So Angie, you're welcome. Appreciate you coming on to learn our Igbo language. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for cherishing us. Thank you for knowing us and wanting us to know you as our Igbo brother in diaspora, Igbo sister in diaspora. So Angie, you are highly welcome. Like I was saying earlier, we hit the like button when you join the class, hit the share button when you join the class, and if you're a first timer, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the only way you can show that you appreciate what we do. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for doing that. Chineke goziegi. That's how we say God bless you. Chineke goziegi. Chineke means God. Gozie means bless. Ge means you. So Chineke goziegi means God bless you. Okay, okay. This is my sister Chika Chikezie. Say ego oti baje patapata. I don't spoil patapata. Let me talk about. Don't let a miracle hear you that ego don't baje. That is his own base of state of pride. He said he built Lagos. So don't let me say anything about that. I'm not here for that. Please don't drag me into politics. Okay? So he built Lagos, so leave it for him the way it is. Right. So let's move on. Okay. This was a go wadada. Sherry Mango is protesting. I told you, the chickens here, don't drag me into politics. I beg you this afternoon in Nigeria. Don't drag me into politics at all. You are already bringing the fight now. Sherry Mango say, Eko wadada. You say, Eko pata. I told you earlier, don't drag me into politics. I beg you in the name of God. Let me teach my Igbo and go and rest. Okay? Because Nigeria politics is toxic. Please leave me out of that. Right. So let's move on now. Those of you who are in class that have not hit the like button and the share button, you are not doing very, very well. Please do that now as we start the class right about now. I want to appreciate those of you that joined the class at the exact time. This is a sign of seriousness today, and that will help us to cover more ground. So we begin. We are And what do we mean by Igbo verb game? We discovered that most of the expressions and interactions center around verb. So verb is about the most important part of speech in any language. Okay. So it is the most important aspect of any language, the verb. So knowing the verb and how to use the verb to make sentences in different scenarios will actually help you to be more grounded in the language and have a better appreciation of that language. So that's why we are centering and diving in deep on verb. And we're calling this session and this series Igbo Verb Game. It's not actually game per se, but what we call it game is that we throw the verb around, use it in different ways and different scenarios. As we use them, the form of the verb changing, the spelling keep changing, the meaning keep changing, but it's one parent verb that changes and transformed into different things. That's what we call it, verb game. So that is where we are. I've been following the politics to whoa, okay? That is my Angie. Say I've been following the politics of Nigeria. So let's leave that. So we move on. So that way you will be, more acquainted with how to use the Igbo verb, how to make sentences, how to apply them, how to understand them. So that is what we are dealing with. Last week, we stopped with the verb basa means spread. Spread. And then the last variation of that verb we considered last week was abasala, which means don't spread, the opposite of the verb. Abasala, don't spread. That was the last aspect of the verb we considered last week. Angie, are you following, or I'm too fast for you? Angie and Chika, just let me hear you. Am I too fast for you, or you think you're following what I'm saying? I hope I'm not speaking too much English and it's not too fast. So please let me know if you are going on with me. So today we begin our class right away. and we begin with a verb, which we need to consider now. And the verb we are looking at now is robuo, robuo, robuo. This is tricky. The first test is for me to pronounce the word and for you to understand what I pronounced and be able to write it, okay? And be able to write, Chika, thank you for your response, and be able to write that word I pronounced, which means you understand the sound of the Igbo alphabets. That's why you're able to write that word. So that is the first hurdle to cross. So I now pronounce the first word. It is ro, buo, ro, buo, ro, buo. So you first write the word in the chat to show you understand the word by the sound I made. So the pace is fine, but I usually just watch the replay to understand better. Okay, thank you, Angie, thank you for that. So the word is robuo, robuo. Okay, please write that in the chat with the right spelling. Sherry Mango has written, this is robuo, not ropuo, robuo, robuo, robuo. Okay, somebody has written, Chikeze has written something, robuo, that's better. Any other attempt? Any other attempt on the word? Verb is robuo. Verb is robuo. Any other one? Any other option? I got two already. Sherry Mango has written, good effort. Chikeze wrote, good effort. We're about to mark. Okay, I'm going to mark now because the rule I want to apply is once the answer is gotten right, I next stage. But sometimes I wait a bit to allow those that have sent their own, but is still in transit, maybe due to network delay, you need to drop in, and also to allow those who are newcomers, who are freshers, who are greenhorn, to also contribute by trying to see if they understand the word and the sound. So that's what we do. I don't want to embarrass myself. I have no idea. I will keep following along. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's part of it. But please, Angie, do something. Have a biro, have a book with which you are copying. So that will also help you. The psychomotor will help your understanding while you are following along. That's important. Angie, please do that. All right. Now I mark the word because we're going to break this word into different versions. So Chikezie got the word right. Robuo, Chikezie got it right. Robuo, GH is pronounced as ye, not G. It's a merger of G and H in alphabet. It's pronounced as ye. So Robuo, GB, another one. GB, another one, which is pronounced as B, as alphabet, one alphabet, GB. So that is why Lo, Buo is GHO with dot under the O, GBUO, correct. So Chikezie got the word very correct. The next hurdle is, what is the meaning of this word? Before we break it into its different forms. What is the meaning of this word? Lo, Buo, yes, drop the meaning now. What is the meaning of the word? Robuo. Yes. If you are, as you are coming into the class, do us a favor, hit the like button, hit the share button, let this teaching go out to more people so they can come in. Nake, you are welcome to class. So welcome to class. Hit the like button, hit the share button so it can go out to more people to join the class. That is important to us. Please help us do that as a way of supporting our efforts and helping others too to learn alongside with you. Okay, there we Nake. All right, let's move on. So, okay, Sherry Mango wrote to discern. Okay, to discern. Robuo, okay, to discern. Why Chikeze wrote trick, cheat. Okay, let's see who got it right. Who got it right? Robuo. Robuo. The right answer is cheat. Cheat or deceive. Deceive. I think Sherry Mango wanted to write deceive, but you discern. I hope it's not a typographical error. Sherry Mango, confirm. Do you want to write deceive or discern? Let me be sure it's not. how Chikezie wrote it. So, parent word, which is cheat, we say that to cheat is what? To cheat. How do we write to cheat? Is one word. In Igbo verb is one word. Okay? But the spelling will change a little bit. To cheat is what? To cheat. Yeah? Now write it for me. Drop it in the chat. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Nake, where are you? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Don't let it. To cheat is what? A pattern. Okay? There's a pattern. If you've been following our teaching, you know there's a pattern this follows. Pattern of adding I in front and other things will follow. Okay? I'm waiting. I've not got any response. To what? To cheat is what? How do we write it? To cheat. To cheat. And you are supposed to buy our ebooks, which will help you to learn faster when you are offline. You are supposed to buy. I don't know whether you have ebooks. It has text. Listen. Have you bought it before? While we are waiting for response from our people to cheat, please write it. I need a response from Angie. Have you bought our ebooks before? Chika, have you bought it before? Because they always help new students to learn faster. Confirm that. And are they worth buying? Are you learning from me? Or what happened? Yes, I'm waiting. Wow. Is it network or what? I'm not getting a response. Do we write that? To cheat. To cheat. Waiting. Our clock is ticking. I don't know what is holding the response. I hope it's not network. I'm suspecting network. Network. What is? Drop your chart to cheat. How do we write it? Chikezie, where are you? Where is Soibi? Where is Nake? She's on so. What is going on? Right to cheat. Ask ebooks before. If so, what is your experience? Give us your testimonial. Yeah, to cheat. How do we write it? No response is coming in. What is going on here? What is going on here? I hope off. Please, if you are hearing me, say yes. Right? Yes, if you are hearing me. Or give me a thumbs up. Are you hearing me? I need a response. Are you hearing me? Am I audible? Can you hear me? I need a response. I need a response. Please indicate in the chat that I'm audible. You can hear me. Do that now. I need a response. Otherwise, I assume I've lost you guys. I assume I've lost you guys. I don't know. No response is coming in. Are you hearing me? Can you hear me? I'm not getting any response. What's going on here? Going on. I'm not getting any response. I say, let me know if you are hearing me. Type yes if you are hearing me, or give me a thumbs up if you are hearing me. Waiting for your response. Please, let's go on. I can't go on without confirming you are hearing me. I can't go on. It's important to hear me because this is a live class. I need to be sure I'm communicating with you, not talk to myself. In our Igbo class, free live Igbo class. Let's talk Igbo language live. Wherever you are interested in learning Igbo language, you're born by Igbo parents, you are Igbo fiancé or husband or wife, you're Igbo business, you want to hear Igbo language, you are born by Igbo parents, but you have lost exposed to it, this is where to be. Every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300. Come and let's learn and speak Igbo language. There are rules here. You hit the like button, hit the share class. So let's go. Are you hearing me? If you hear me, type yes. Hit yes. Let me know that you are hearing me. Let me know you are hearing me. There is a problem here. There is a problem. No one is responding to me. No one is responding to me. But I need to go on because I don't know what exactly is the problem. I cannot say exactly what is the problem. Let me read. I think I have a WhatsApp message. Maybe somebody is trying to tell me what is the problem. Maybe. Oh, is anyone hearing me? My God. I lost all the chats. I can't hear anything. I can't see anybody. What is going on today? What is going on? Can't get my live chat. Hello? Oh, yeah. Serious. Yes. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Oh my God. So many people responded. Okay, sorry. It's now I'm back. It's now I'm seeing all your responses. Okay. It's now I'm seeing all your responses. What is your question? Okay. Yes. Okay. Edelamia. Okay. Sorry about that. Yes. Okay. We hear you. Okay. Sorry about that. I couldn't get all your responses, but I just saw now. This is just the time I'm deceived, past tense of deceive. That. I didn't see you show the books you bought. I didn't know that you bought a book. I don't know you are. Okay. Okay, we have Chikezie Woburu and then Nake Woburu. Nake, your Woburu is not correct. You wrote GH and GH again. Woburu. That is not correct. It's Woburu. So check your typing. Maybe it's a typographical error. You wrote GH at the beginning and GH again at the middle. I guess that is a typographical error. Okay. So Angie, which of the books did you buy? I didn't know that I never see your name as among those who bought the books. Let me know which of the books you bought and your experience. Were you able to download the audio? Can you listen to the audio as you bought? Okay. Yeah, Nakeda is the correct version of that word, Woburu. Okay. So those who are writing, these two answers from Chikezi and Nake are correct. Woburu, deceived. Woburu, deceived. That's correct. Now let's go on. And the next word we're looking at is will deceive. Will deceive. Will deceive. How do we write that? Will deceive. How do we write that? Please drop that quickly. We are already going behind time because of network issue. Will deceive that. Angie, I'm still asking you a question. Which of the books did you buy? I didn't remember you buying any book. Can't remember your name. Okay. What books are you referring to and where can I obtain it? Oh, yeah. I said it now. You didn't get my question. I was talking about our ebooks, our special ebooks that are meant specially for people like you that will, facilitate your learning, on a higher, faster pace. The ebooks are special and they contain text, audio, and pictures, and they are for very cheap price. Between $1 and $3, you buy one of them, and we prepare them especially for people like you. And they are available in our, bookshop. How do we get the bookshop? Go to our community page, community tab in our homepage, hit community. You will see display of the books and the link to our bookshop from there. Check the live sessions you say you've been watching before. Open the description box. You will see a link to our bookshop. Hit it and you will visit the shop. You see the lineup of books we have there. All of them have the same feature: text, audio, and pictures, downloadable audio. Buy them today and start listening to them. When you are cooking, you are doing laundry, you are driving, you can as well listen to me talking to you and teaching you on the go. So get that today. With $30, you can buy over 10 of them. Okay? Angie, did you get me clearly? Chika, I'm also talking to you. Oh, Sunshine, you are welcome to class. Barbara, welcome. Okay, Ga-aogu is correct. We deceive. Chikezie got it. Angie, confirm if you heard what I said about the book. Nake got it. Okay, we get it after this class. Thank you. That's fine. Nake got it. Ga-aogu, correct. Sunshine got it. Ga-aogu, perfect. Sunshine, you are really improving. I must commend you. The next word is cheating. Is cheating. Is cheating. What is that? Is cheating. Present continuous tense. Is cheating. How do we write that in Igbo? Is cheating. Okay? Let's check it. Let's write. Is cheating. How do we write that in Igbo language? From the parent word cheat. How do we write that? Is cheating. Na aghogbu Chikezie. That's great. Any other contribution? Nake. Na aghogbu. Great. How about Sunshine? Barbara, how do we write is cheating? Is cheating. How do we write that? Yeah. I'm waiting for Sunshine. Barbara, Liebi. How do we write that? Is cheating. Is cheating. I hope other people are writing. Those who cannot, type directly here. I hope you are writing from those who know more than you. That is the essence of being in a live class. You learn from those who know more than you, not only from the teacher. There are other people you can interact with. That's why we are live. Okay, that's correct. Now let's go to the next version of this word. And the version is go cheat. Go and cheat. Go and cheat or go cheat. How do we write that in Igbo language? Go cheat or go and cheat. How do we write that in Igbo language? Now drop it. Hit it now in the chat. Hit it now. Yes, shoot it. Let's move. Okay, say there. Go. Oh, I'm already saying it. Okay, ga or go deceive or go cheat. Nake, you are on point. Ga or go cheat. Okay, Chikezie, you're on point there. Sunshine, na aobu. Oh, great. Sunshine is coming a little bit late, but that is for the last word, which is also correct. Ga, na aobu, correct. Sunshine, we have moved on to go and cheat or go cheat. And that's where we are now, sunshine. What is your own response to that? Sunshine. Barbara, what is your response to that? Ga or bo? Wow, that's great. Sunshine is on fire. You don't agree at all. That's correct. Now let's reverse it. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Let's reverse it. Don't cheat. How is that written in Igbo language? Don't cheat. Well, fire it. Don't cheat. Do not cheat. Don't cheat. How do we write that in Igbo language? Fire it for me. Don't cheat. How do we write in Igbo language? Okay, somebody has written, don't cheat. How do we write that in Igbo language? Two persons has written, Chikezie and Nake. Any other person coming in with a response, don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Write that in Igbo language. How do we write it? Don't cheat. Yeah, Sunshine, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Since you are competing today, I need to wait for you. Don't cheat. Write your own. Sunshine is up for competition. So I have 3 people running neck to neck. Nake, Chikezie, and Sunshine. Of course, Chikezie remains the class captain. Not undisputable. Okay, Agobula. Wow, Sunshine. You really impressed me. You really impressed me. Except that you are O. The first O is supposed to have dot under, but it doesn't have dot under it. Apart from that, you are right on track. Agobula. Don't deceive. Don't cheat. Okay, move on to make our sentences as quick as we can. Number 1, Wobuo, cheat. Okay, let's see how to make a sentence with that. Don't let them cheat you. Don't let them cheat you. Don't let them cheat you. Write that sentence in Igbo language. Don't let them cheat you. If you are new to class, just pay attention. Just look and listen. When we get the right sentence, you copy. You copy from the experts. Don't be discouraged that the sentence is too long or you can't comprehend it or whatever. Stay here. Listen and learn. The beauty of being in a live class is that you are going to learn from not just me, but other of your colleagues that are already advanced. So you just look at the charts and listen to me and learn, just like Angie is doing here. That's the best way to do it. So you can also meet up. Don't let them cheat you. Okay? Write the sentence. I got that from Chikezie, waiting for others to drop their sentence. Don't let them cheat you. Write it in Igbo language. Don't let them cheat you. I got 2 responses already. Sunshine, are you attempting this? Don't let them cheat you. Give it a try, Sunshine. Give it a try. Give it a try. Waiting for you, Sunshine. Give it a try. Don't let them cheat you. Yeah? Give it a try now, Sunshine. Chika, are you still in class? Chika, please confirm you are still in class. Chika. I know Angie is in class, but I'm interested in hearing from Chika. The Lagosian, are you still in class? Okay, I have 2 responses from the most active students here. Ekwela kaha ogbuogi. That's from Chikezie. Nake. Ekwela kaha ogbuogi. Great. Sunshine. Ekwela kaha ogbuogi. G. Great. But sunshine, you are G, you're supposed to have dot under, and your first O supposed to have dot under it. Is it that you're not having our Igbo keyboard, or what is the problem? You've not downloaded the Igbo keyboard or installed it in your phone or computer. Let me know what is your challenge. Or you don't know the right alphabet to use. Clement Emehe, no, they will own a class. You're welcome. Yeah, I'm asking sunshine because your typing need to be perfectly okay for the purpose of those who are copying. So 2 answers are correct here. The one from Chikezie and the one from Nnake. Sunshine also is right, but the alphabets are not perfect, right? We move on. Second sentence, Iyobu, to cheat. They wanted to cheat us. They wanted to cheat us. They want to cheat us. They want to cheat us. Write that sentence in Igbo language. Quick, drop it. They want to cheat us. My Igbo keyboard is not working today. Oh, I see. That's right. Okay, let's listen to the next sentence, sunshine. And make efforts. Don't be discouraged by that. Move on. The sentence is, they want to cheat us. They want to cheat us. Now let's write that. Sunshine. Sunshine, for some time now, you've not bought any book. Is it that you have the old ones you bought, you've not finished reading them, or you don't want to, get more? We had more books that you've not bought. I don't know what happened. Sunshine. Okay. They want to cheat us. What do we have? They want to cheat us. Yeah. Let's have them. Chikeze has written. Nake has written. I'm waiting for sunshine. They want, and then I'm waiting for Clement Emehe. They want to cheat us. 2 responses. Emehe, I'm waiting for you. Waiting for sunshine to write. They want to cheat us. Yes, write that in Igbo language. If you are joining the class, listen to me, look at the chats, the live chats. You learn from me, you learn from your colleagues. This is a live Igbo class, free live Igbo class. So wherever you are seeing us, we welcome you to live Igbo class, free of charge. Come and let's learn, let's speak, let's write Igbo language. Come and sharpen your skill in Igbo language, learning, reading, writing. Come here, this is where we are every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 13:00 GMT. This is where to be every Saturday to learn Igbo language, free of charge. You're welcome to class. As you join this class, there are 2 things you do. Hit the like button, please. Hit the share button for this live session, very important to us. Now, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not done that, drop a greeting for us. Let's see that you are here, and then hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we're going to post or announce our live session that is coming every time. Okay, Tochu Abideo. Tochu a common name. I know this name before, though you've not been coming to live class, but you return back today. Tochi, no, welcome back to live class. Okay, you ran away for a long time. Okay, who else is here? Ha chọrọ ịghọgbu anyị. Okay, let me read the responses. Ha chọrọ ịghọgbu anyị. Chikezie, correct. Nnake, ha chọrọ ịghọgbu anyị. Perfect. Clement, ha na-achọ ịghọgbuo anyị. No, you don't put you. Okay, ha na-achọ ịghọgbuo. No, Clement, you don't put O again at the back of that. Ịghọgbu doesn't have O at the back at all. They are, ha na-achọ, they want. Okay, ha na-achọ, they are trying, or they want. It's also correct. Sunshine, ha chọrọ ịghọgbu anyị. Ha chọrọ is they wanted. Okay, ha na-achọ, they are planning or trying to deceive us. This is just the difference between the 2. Sunshine, ha chọrọ ịghọgbu anyị. Correct. Okay, perfect. Tochi, I've welcomed you to class. Let's move on. Next sentence. Ga-aghọgbu will cheat. Will cheat. He will cheat. anytime. He will cheat anytime. He will cheat anytime. Write that in Igbo language. He will cheat anytime. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, he will cheat anytime. He will cheat anytime. Yes, write that in Igbo language. He will cheat anytime. Yeah, waiting for you. Drop it. Drop it. He will cheat anytime. Drop that in Igbo language. Yes. Please, as you join the class, don't be discouraged if the sentence is long. You are here to learn from me and from others. All you need to do is pay attention to me, my voice, and look at the chat so that you can learn from others who are more vast than you, who have gone beyond you. That's the beauty of being in a live class. You meet others, you learn from others, others learn from you. So let's do this together. Let's move. Now, remember the sentence is, he will, what did I say? Is it he will cheat always? What did I say? Someone remind me. He will cheat. Okay? He will cheat always. Is that what I said? I can't remember. Someone remind me the sentence. Yes. Chikezie, you're still here. Remind me the sentence. Write it in Igbo. If you write in Igbo, I'll remember. Drop your sentence now. I will remember the English version. Okay? Waiting for you. Oga obu ogobula. Okay? He will cheat every time. He will cheat every time, or he will cheat always. That's fine. Now let's write that in Igbo language. Nake has written, Oga obu ogobula mbanu. Ekwe ime ekwe. Chikezie ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ mgbe ọbụla. Okay, black, he will cheat anytime. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, Angie. He will cheat anytime. Okay, thank you for that. He will cheat anytime. Thank you, Nake. That was the word. He will cheat anytime. He will cheat anytime. Okay, let me see what we've got. Nake wrote, ọ ga-aghọgbu oge ọbụla. Okay. Chikezie wrote, ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ mgbe ọbụla. Okay. Any other option? Any other option? He will cheat anytime. Okay. Any other option? He will cheat anytime in Igbo language. Ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ. Ọ ga-aghọgbu mgbe ọbụla. We say that we cheat is ga-aghọgbu. It's also ga-aghọ. Okay. Okay, but let's maintain what we say. But Nake wrote ga-aghọgbu, you added O to it. O is not supposed to be there. Ọ ga-aghọgbu mgbe ọbụla is better than oge ọbụla. Oge ọbụla, mgbe ọbụla. Although two of them are used interchangeably. Mgbe niile, oge niile, oge ọbụla, mgbe ọbụla. Both are used interchangeably. Oge, mgbe, they mean virtually the same thing. So whether you use mgbe ọbụla or oge ọbụla, you are right. So ọ ga-aghọgbu oge ọbụla. Ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ oge ọbụla or mgbe ọbụla is also right. Ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ, he will cheat. He will cheat. Ọ ga-aghọgbu. Both words are also called, are used interchangeably. Ọ ga-aghọ aghụghọ. Ọ ga-aghọgbu. Both are also allowed. They are also allowed. Ọ ga-aghọgbu oge ọbụla. Okay, Nnake have done the correction. Ọ ga-aghọgbu oge ọbụla. Okay, Sunshine. Ọ ga-aghọgbu oge ọbụla. No, don't add O again at that word. Ọ ga-aghọgbu, no O again at the back. It's ọ ga-aghọgbu, not ọ ga-aghọgbu. No, remove your O at the back of it, right? Very fine. Go to the next one. Go cheat. Ga, wogbuo. Ga, wogbuo. Go cheat. Go cheat your brother. I'm not saying you should do that, oh, it's for teaching sake. Please don't go and do that. Go cheat your brother. Go cheat your brother. Write that in Igbo language. But I'm not saying you should do that, please. I'm only using that for teaching, okay? Okay, Ruji Guna. Ruji Guna, you're welcome to class. Ruji Guna. I think this is the first time you are joining our live class. We say no. That's how we say welcome in Igbo language. No. Confirm that this is your first time of joining our live class. Say yes. Ruji Guna. And let us know where you are joining from. Say yes from so country or so place. Yes from US. Yes from UK. Yes from Canada. Yes from Uzbekistan. I don't know the names. Anywhere you are. Yes from Malaysia. I want to hear that. Ruji Guna. Please do that. The question is this your first time of joining our live class? You answer and indicate your location. All right. We are talking about go cheat your brother. Write it in Igbo language. What are the responses you get? Okay, yes, from Niger. Oh, that's great. Ruji from Niger. Wow, this name does not sound like a Nigerian name. Are you an Indian? Are you Indian? Ruji, this sounds like Indian name. Are you Indian? Welcome you if you want to learn Igbo language. That's very interesting. Please confirm, Ruji, because this name, your name does not sound Nigerian. Nevertheless, you're welcome. Confirm. It sounds Indian. More. Okay. Gawo nwanne gị nwoke. Great. Naka, you're doing well. Where is Chikezie? Where is Sunshine? Where is Clement Emehe? Go cheat your brother. Drop your sentence now in Igbo language. Go cheat your brother. Somebody has written something and waiting for others to drop their own writing before we mark. Quickly. Okay. Oga, Ogobula, oh, your response is coming late. Sunshine for this. Right? We're waiting for you. Go cheat your brother or go and cheat your brother. Write that in Igbo language. I got one response already. What is holding the others down? Chikezie, where are you? Right? Where are you? Drop it now. Drop it now. Drop your response now. Wherever you are, you're seeing us now. You are interested in learning Igbo language. Okay? You are highly welcome. This is free live Igbo language class. Live. So wherever you are, married to Igbo, born by Igbo parents, having Igbo business partner, Igbo friend, associate, whatever, Igbo lover, Igbo friend, Igbo fiancé, join us now and learn free of charge. Yes. Clement say, Anamabia. Okay, I need to check it. Okay, the sentence we are looking at is go cheat your brother. Only one person have responded. I'm waiting for others to drop their responses. So we move on from this. Or is there no one that is coming on? Where is Chikezie, class captain? Are you still here with us? Sunshine, drop your response. Where's drop your response. Clement Emehe, drop your response. Where are you? Chikezie, I think Oga Obu will be followed by an object or subject imatu. Oga Obu nwanne ya. Yeah, but Oga simply say he or she will cheat or deceive without pointing to any subject. Okay, Oga, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, Oga, yes, he will cheat. Okay, we cheat. Okay, that's fine. He will cheat. Oga, I agree with you. But when we have object following it, then Obu will follow. Then in this case, I agree with you. So now in this case, we're talking about Oga or Bu. He will cheat his brother or go cheat your brother. It's not Gawa or one negi. No. Ga or Bu, one negi is the right sentence. If you agree with me, okay. One negi okay, of course, that's it. So we have two people that got this right. That is Nake, Ga Ogbuo, one negi woke, and then Chikezie, Ga Ogbuo, one negi woke. These responses are correct. They are correct. So if you are writing, write Nake's chart and Chikezie McDonald chart. They are the right sentences here. And then if you are here, you've not hit the like button, you are not doing well. If you have not shared this live session, hit the share button now. Do it now. Do it now. Even if you are watching from our homepage, please share it out. We appreciate that. Help your brother, help your sister to also learn as you are learning. Okay, let's go to the next word and sentence, which is don't cheat. Aghọgbula. Okay, the sentence is aghọgbula onye agbata obi gị. Oh, I said it in Igbo. Jee ghọgbuo nwanne gị nwoke. Okay. Jee ghọgbuo nwanne gị nwoke. Okay. 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 Jee ghọgbuo nwanne gị nwoke. Ga and jee, both are correct. Both are correct. We use J and Ga interchangeably in Igbo. So Ruji, you are also correct if you say J or Buo, but you have to install the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. Go to language setting, go to keyboard, and then go to Party Igbo. Pick it and install in your phone. So when you press the alphabet that has Igbo version, press it down. It will give you the option of U or O with dot under or dot on top, as the case may be. So you pick the right alphabet when you are writing. Talking to Ruji now. That's fine. Sunshine. Gaobuo nwanne gị nwoke. Wow, great. Sunshine, you have improved so much. Be like saying you are living with Igbo person now. Are you sure? You are not living with my brother already? Because your Igbo is getting better now. Sunshine, I'm joking, no. But it appears you are living with my brother now because your Igbo is improving so much. What is happening behind the scene, we don't know. All right, just joking. Anyway, now we are in don't deceive. And the sentence is don't deceive your neighbor. Don't deceive your neighbor. Sunshine, your chat is coming in very late. I don't know, where are you? Which part of the world are you now? Because your chat is coming so late. You said not yet. Okay, but you are already preparing, seriously preparing. Your Igbo has improved so much. Okay, somebody has answered, don't cheat your neighbor. That is the sentence. Don't cheat your neighbor. Don't cheat your neighbor. Someone has written, I need more responses. Okay, you are in US, but your response is coming so late. Let it come earlier, please. Don't cheat your brother or your neighbor, rather, your neighbor. Up till now, some of us have not hit the like button for this live session. That is not fair to your teacher. That is not fair. Some have not shared it. That's not fair. If you have not subscribed yet and you are here, it's not fair to us. Okay, hit also the notification bell. That way you will not miss any of our notifications for live class or any other of our video uploads. Do that now. That's important. Now the sentence is, don't cheat your neighbor. Got one response already? What are the rest waiting for? Nake, where are you? Emehe, where are you? Okay, Emehe said, Anamabia, I'm coming. Okay, Nake is here. Awula onye agbata obi gị. All right, great effort. Great efforts. Great effort. Awula onye agbata obi gị. So, onye agbata obi or agbata obi is your neighbor. Okay, for those who are new to Igbo here, Awula is don't cheat. Onye agbata obi is that your neighbor, a person beside you or your neighbor. Don't cheat that person. Okay, we're done with this. We go to the second word for today, which is GWA. 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 Of course, I'm not supposed to say the word. I'm not supposed to spell it. I'm supposed to pronounce it so that you can write it. The word is gwa, gwa, gwa. Let's write it in Igbo language. Gwa, gwa, gwa. Write it. What is that? Sunshine, I got your response very well and very fine. Gwa is the word, second word for today. Oh yeah, let's write it now, quickly. Chikezi has written, waiting for others to write. Gwa, gwa. Drop the word now. Quickly drop the word now. I want to run fast. Ruji has written, Nake has written, Sunshine, where are you? Emehe, where are you? Sunshine has written, Gwa. Great. Now, you all got it. What is the meaning of Gwa? I have 30 minutes to round up this class, so let's move fast. What is the meaning of Gwa? Yeah, move now. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of Gwa? The English meaning. Gwa. Say, tell, Tochi, Babi. Good effort. Okay. Any other option? Tochi is correct. Tell or say. Tell or say. That is correct. Talk. Okay. Also correct. Okay. I wouldn't want to waste further time on that. Let's break it down. Number one, gwa, tell or talk. Number two, to talk is what? Hit it now. To talk is what? To tell, to talk, to say. What is it? How is it written in the Igbo language? Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo, ọsịsọ, ngwa, egbula oge. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. To tell, to say. Chikezi has written something. What are the other people waiting for? Shoot it now, shoot it now. We are on a fast lane. What is to tell? To talk, to tell, to say. Ngwa. Yeah. Okay, say. Well, I didn't say. Okay, you are just expanding it. I say to tell or to say. Igwa. Okay. Wo is different from what I'm saying. I say to say, to say, to say or to tell. Okay, the word is igwa. Okay, igwa. That is correct. Okay. Now we go to told. Told. Past tense of tell is what? Write that in Igbo language. Now. Fire it now. Told. Past tense of tell. Told. How is it written in Igbo language? Shoot now. Chikeze has written, waiting for others. Fire now. Fire, fire, fire. Hit it. Hit the button. Hit the keyboard. Let the keyboard speak. Told, told. How is that written in Igbo language? Let the keyboard speak. Yes, one person. Nake has written. Any other person coming in? Ruji. Okay, I love that option. Any other option? Any other option coming in? Where I told you, Abi? Told you, where are you? Sunshine, where are you? We're talking about told. Past tense of tell. Told. Any other option? Waiting for Sunshine and Tochi to drop their own. Any other option coming in? Okay, Sunshine is here. Guara, correct. Okay, I'm going to address this now. We have two people. Guara, Tochi is here now, so we are complete. Now we have two issues here. Somebody wrote Guago, and we have majority writing Guara. For this purpose of told, Guara is the right answer. But Guago is have told. Have told. That is Guago. Or Guago, yeah. He has told him. He has told him. But the particular word told on his own is Guara. Or Guaraya. He told him. Or Guaraya. But he has told him, or they have told him, Hagwagoya. That is where Guago comes in. Have told. It's supposed to also be part of this, what we're doing here. Okay? It can also be part of it. So take it as one separate word here, not a version of Guago have told. Just take it. So we're going to add it as a version. Okay. Now let's move on. I hope we understand what I explained. If you are okay with that, give me a thumbs up. If you understand my explanation of the difference between gua and guago, please give me a thumbs up. If you understand it, give me a thumbs up. I explain something now. Difference between gua, guara, and guago. If you get it, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'm waiting for that as we move on. So we move on to will tell, will tell, will tell. What is that in Igbo language? Will tell, will tell. Ngwa, waiting for your response. Will tell, will tell. Okay, Ruji say yes. Ruji, we have our books, e-books that we think will help everyone. So it has text, audio, and downloadable audio and pictures for some of them. They are helpful to every newcomer, every new student. If you want them, you get them from our homepage or from the description box of this live session when they uploaded or the previous ones. Or go to our homepage, look at our channel description, open it up, you see a link to a bookshop, you buy one today. Buy more, very cheap, $1 to $3, you get one today, and you'll be glad you did. Now, we're talking about we tell. We have answer here, Chikezie, Gagwa, okay, Nake, Gagwa, okay. Any other one coming in? Ruji, what do you say? We'll tell. Tochu Babi, what do you say? Mehe, what do you say? And Sunshine, what do you say? Gagwa, Tochu, you are right. Gagwa, your responses are right. Gagwa, will tell, will tell. All right, to move on. Is telling, is telling, is telling. What is that? Is telling, is telling. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Is telling. Okay, I got one response. I need more. Is telling, is telling. Yes, hit the keyboard. Is telling. How is it written? Okay, I got two responses now from Chikezie and Nake. Who else is dropping a response? Is telling. Who else is dropping a response here? Yeah, Sunshine, Nagwa, correct. But it connects your Nagwa with a hyphen, is a compound word. Talking to Ruji now and Sunshine is a compound word. So connect it with a hyphen. But you are right, all the same. Okay, go tell is what? Go tell. Go tell. Go tell is what? Go tell. Waiting for you. Yes. Go tell. Go tell. I got one response. Yes, I need other people to come in. What is go tell in Igbo language? Go tell. As you send someone a message to go tell somebody something. Go tell. What is it in Igbo? I got one response. I need more. Nake, Sunshine, Gagwa. That is Sunshine. Great. Sunshine, you're doing well. Tochi, Gagwa. Great. I love that. Nake, they push you behind. Where are you, Nake? Where are you? Ruji, Gagwa. Great. Yeah. Nake, where are you? Nake is here. Gagwa. Okay, you came last. This class is getting more competitive and hot now. Now we do don't tell. Don't tell. Let's see who gets first, second, and third. Yeah? The game is on. Don't tell. Write that in Igbo language. The game is on. This is the Igbo verb game. Don't tell. Hit the keyboard. Who shoots first? Don't tell. Game on. Agwakwala. That's what I got. Any other one? Don't tell. I got one response first. Agwakwala. Okay, any more response? The game is on. Don't tell. Write that in Igbo language. Agwala Clemente Mehe. Great one. More responses are expected. Ruji. Am I correct with the what? Gagwa. Gagwa. I think we're past that already, but you don't need to put hyphen in Gagwa, Ruji. But I didn't get your question that you're trying to say. Okay, Clement Agbala, Ruji Agbala, Tochi Agbala, Nake Agbala, don't tell. Agbala and Agbakwala is the same thing. It's only a matter of expanding the word. So Chikeze wrote Agbakwala. Agbala is the short form of Agbakwala. So it's the same. But Agbakwala seems to be the full version of that Agbala, Agbakwala, Agbala. But in either of the two you use, you are perfect. You are okay. Agbala or Agbakwala, they are all correct. Agbakwala, either of the two. I've just already addressed that, sunshine. Agbala or Agbakwala. You don't need to put double A in front. Sunshine, one A is okay in front. Don't tell. Okay, let's go to sentences now. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Write that in Igbo language. Game is on. Tell me your name. Game on. Write that in Igbo language. Tell me your name. Game on. Igbo verb game on. Tell me your name. Write that in Igbo language. Hit the keyboard. Hit the chat. This is Igbo. Let's talk Igbo language live. Wherever you are, join up now. We are here sharpening our Igbo speaking skill, Igbo sound recognition, Igbo verb recognition, Igbo verb transformation, Igbo sentence making, and then we are sharpening our skill, learning more, adding to what we knew before, and moving forward. Okay? Tell me your name. This class is getting very competitive now. My God. The answers are poured in. Gwama Hagi, Chikezie, Ruji, Gwama Hagi, Ruji, you have not got our Igbo keyboard. Tochi, Gwam Ahagi, Nake, Gwam Afagi. Nake, don't bring another version. Clement Mehe, Gwam Ahagi. All of you are correct. The only thing I want to say is that Alpha is used by people basically from Anambra, but Aha is the one accepted as the Central Igbo. Aha, A-H-A. Ahagi, tell me your name. Fine. We'll move on from here. Igwa, to tell. To tell. Ha, achorom. Oh, sorry. I don't want to say achorom. Okay. I'm not going to give you expo. He is coming to tell me. He is coming to tell me. Game on. Shoot now. He is coming to tell me. Game on. Shoot. Hit your keyboard. He is coming to tell me. Yeah. Shoot. Game on. Write that in Igbo language. He is coming to tell me. Game on. Igbo language version. Hit the keyboard. Let me see the chat talking. He is coming to tell me. Game on. Okay. Nake has shot first position. Who is coming second? Chikezie second position. Who is coming third? Who is coming third here? Game on. Who is coming third? Okay, Clement Emehen, third position. Ona Igwam, Tochi fourth. Okay, Tochi fourth. Who is taking fifth? Where is my sunshine? Where is my, who other person am I missing here? Sunshine, where are you? You are coming last. Why this time around? What about, okay, Ruji is here. Okay, on Igwam, great. I love this class. Very lively. Nake took first. On Igwam, great, correct. McDonald, on Igwam, Guinea Kwan, Okay, Amamo, I don't know. Clement Emehe, Ona, Bia, Igwam, good, great. Tochu Babi, Ona, Bia, Igwam, great. Ruchi, Ona, Bia, Igwam, wow, this is really great. We move on, game on. Number 3 sentence, told, that's what we're talking about now. Told, Guara, Guara. Okay, the sentence is, he told me about it. He told me about it. Write that in Igbo language. He told me about it. This is Igbo verb game. Game on. He told me about it. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Shoot. Let the keyboard speak right now. Okay, Chikezie, first position. Who is coming second? He told me about it. Chikezie, taking first. Who is coming second? Shoot. Let the keyboard speak. He told me about it. Chikezie, first. Who is coming second here? Who is coming second here? Nake, don't let them push you behind. Okay. Clement Emehe, second. Ruji, third. Nake, fourth. Wow. This is getting competitive. Where is my friend Tochi? Where is my friend Tochi? Where is Sunshine? Oh, they have pushed you back. Tochi and Sunshine, where are you? He told me about it. Ruji is here. Ruji, okay. Ruji, okay, you are making correction from what you wrote before. Okay. I'm waiting for Tochi. I'm waiting for Sunshine. Sunshine is in. Okay. Great work. Great work. Tochi, they have pushed you to last position. Oh, Tochi, sorry, I'm coming last this time around. All the same, let me look at your responses. Chikezie, Ogbara, Makaya, correct. Clement, Ogwara, Makaya, correct. Ruji, Ogwara, Makaya, Ogwara, not correct, but he corrected it later. Nake, Ogwara, Makaya, correct. Ruji, Ogwara, Makaya, correct version. Sunshine, Ogwara, Makaya, correct. Tochi, Ogwara, Makaya, correct. Chikezie, Ogwara, Makaya. Oh, Chikezie, your first one was wrong. Ogwara. I didn't see it very well. Chikezie, you failed. You are last. I thought you are first. You are last. I didn't look at it very, very well. You are last. This time around, they push you behind. Class captain, don't agree. Oh, these people are hot. They want to chase you away from their position. Now let's go on. Game on. Will tell. Will tell. Will tell. He will tell his mother. He will tell his mother. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Hit your keyboard. He will tell his mother. He will tell his mother. Game on. Hit your keyboard. Who comes first? He will tell his mother. Tochu Babis is on now. Fire. Okay, he will tell his mother. Tochi, first position. Chikezie, second position. Nake, third position. Who is coming fourth and fifth and sixth? Who is coming fourth, fifth, sixth? And who is coming last? Okay, Ruji, fourth. Ruji, fourth. Who else? Where is my sunshine? Where is my sunshine? Clement Emehe, sixth or fifth rather. Sunshine, you are coming last this time around. Come in anyway. Let me see you. Sunshine, where are you? Waiting for Sunshine to come in before I mark. Waiting for Sunshine. Sunshine, dropping your response. Good, you are finally here. You are last this time around. Nevertheless, you try. Oh, Princess SNY is in class. There is a no. There is a no. That's great. No, what is it? Okay, let's see what we have. He will tell his mom who came in first, Tochi, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Chikezie, Oga Gwaneya, second, correct. Nake, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Ruji, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Clement, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Sunshine, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Princess, Oga Gwaneya, correct. Wow, these classes, these students are hot today. Yeah, I'm happy for this. That means my students are learning fast. They are picking up with a high tempo. Good effort. Good job. I think you should tell your teacher, good job, you. I think I'm trying. Okay. Go tell. Gagwa. Gagwa. Now the sentence is, go tell your teacher. Me, this time around. Go tell your teacher. Go and tell your teacher. Write that in Igbo language. Game on. Yeah, Sunshine, I understand. Your network is lagging. It's lagging. I know. I understand. But just keep trying. The sentence is, go and tell your teacher. I think I'm the teacher now. Go and tell your teacher. Game on. Hit your keyboard. Write that in Igbo language. Go and tell your teacher. Tochu Pabi. Again, first position. Tochi, first position. Tochi is not giving anybody any space this time around. Tochi, kwechire, kwechi. Okay, let me see what princess. Oh, surprisingly, princess is coming second in this case. Okay, princess is coming second. Ruji is coming third. These people are pushing their class captain down now. They are not giving him any space at all again. Okay, Ruji has come third. Who is coming fourth? Who is coming forth in this class, in this game now? Who is coming forth? Tochi is first, Princess is second, Ruji is third. Who is coming forth? These are new students. They want to push the old students down the ladder. Okay, where are they? Where is Chikezie? Where is Nake? Where are they? Okay, all right, they are here. Clement coming forth. Sunshine coming fifth. I told you guys, the class captain is going down. They don't want him to surface on top again. What is going on here? Wow. Nake is not even near the fourth position. Tochi first, Princess second, Ruji third, Clement here fourth, Sunshine fifth. Where is the class captain? Where are you, Chikezie and Nake, old students? Where are you? These new guys are not giving you breathing space at all. Where are you? Your answers has not come in. Where are you? Missing in action. Clement, Chikezie and Nake, you are missing in action. Go and tell your teacher. Write it in Igbo language. Should I mark? Are you not coming in? All right, let's mark. Tochu Babi, ga gwa onye nkuzi gị, correct. Princess, ga gwa onye nkuzi gị, correct. Ruji, ga gwa onye nkuzi gị, correct. Clement, ga gwa onye nkuzi gị, correct. You know, Clement is not onye nkuzi. Yeah, you should not have dot under it. You shouldn't have dot under it, so it's not perfect. Sunshine, ga gwa onye nkuzi gị, the same problem. Onye nkuzi, the U doesn't have dot under. Ruji, please, how do I get the alphabet with the sound punctuation? Okay, with sound pronunciation. Okay, the punctuation. You go to a phone setting, go to setting, go to language setting, go to keyboard, look for Kwati Igbo, and then select it and install it in your phone. When you do that, your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. When you press that key that has dot under, hold it down, it will display options of normal O and O with dot under, or I with dot under, or as the case may be. That's how to get that done in your phone. It's also possible to be done the same way your computer, if you're using computer. But there is another way of using that in computer. When you install it, you'll be pressing down the Alt GR, Alt GR. You hold it down and press the keyboard and the key. It will give you the Igbo alphabet. Now, Chikezie, sorry, I'm on call. I think so. Nake, all of you are perfect. We go this. Go further. This, now we're talking about don't tell. Oh, no. Before that, we do Gwago. Gwago have told. Okay? They have told me about it. Do? Okay. Nake say went to bath. No wonder you came late. Okay. Now, we now say, they have told me about it. They have told me about it. Ngwa, write it in Igbo. They and also Igbo. Or say so. They have told me about it. Game on. Game on. Write it in Igbo language. They have told me about it. Write it in Igbo language. Game on. Who is going? First position, Chikezie. Returning back. Okay, he stepped out. You guys thought you are now champion. Class captain has come back. He got first position now. Nake, second position. Toshi came in but left back, maybe typographical error, waiting for you to come back again. Tochi Upabi. Yes, shoot. They have told me about it. Nake, Chikezie first. Nake second. Tochi has come back. Third, who is taking fourth position, and fifth, and sixth, and seventh. Yes, coming now. Ruji coming as fourth. Oh, okay, outreach ministry. You're welcome. Long time, we didn't see you. Princess, you're coming in as fifth position. Yeah, that's great. Lerato, thank you for coming in. All right. Clement came sixth or seventh or thereabout. Lerato, I thought last time you said you were going to buy our books after the class, but you didn't buy. I think you did so, but I didn't see you buy the book. Or did you buy that? Maybe I did not remember if you bought. Lerato, I thought you promised to buy our book last time, but I don't know whether you bought or not. Can you confirm that? Or you forgot after the class? Now, let's mark the script. The sentences, they have told me about it. Let's see what they got in Igbo language. Chikeze wrote, ha agwagom makaya, correct. Nake wrote, ha agwagom makaya, correct. Tochi, ha agwagom makaya, correct. Ruji, ha agwagom makaya, correct. And Princess, ha agwagom makaya, correct. Clement, ha agwagom makaya. These guys are on fire. You guys are too much. You are too much. Dominic, you're welcome to class. You're coming very late to class today. What happened, Dominic? Okay. All right. All right. Your contribution is seen. Ha gwalam makaya. Gwalam is also used, but gwago is the most appropriate in this circumstance. Okay. Ha gwago makaya as sunshine. Great. Love all you guys. Now we go to direct opposite. Don't tell. Don't tell. That's where Agbala is more appropriate. Okay? Talking to Dominic now. Don't tell. Don't tell them about it. Write it in Igbo language. Game on. Don't tell them about it. Don't tell them about it. Game on. Write it in Igbo language. Don't tell them about it. Game on. Who comes first? Who shoots first? Who is taking first in this case? Don't tell them about it. Game on. Yes, game on. Chikezie, first position. Nake, second position. Who is coming third? Who is coming third here? Game on. Who is coming third? Clement Emehe, third. Oh, Tochi, third. Sorry. Clement, fourth. Nake is coming back again. Okay. I think you are correcting yourself. Ruji coming fifth, I think. Okay. Ruji is coming fifth. Tochi, you want to correct yourself. You ran away. All right. Now, Princess coming sixth or so. Princess is not Equela, is not don't agree, is don't tell them about it. Princess, we are dealing with Agwala, not Equela. Agwala, tell, don't tell. That is the word. Yeah, I know, Toshi, I know you made a mistake. You want to correct yourself. I made a mistake. Okay, I wait for your corrected version. Okay, you're back. Agbala Hamakaya. Okay, that's great. Don't tell them about it. Don't tell them. Princess, correct your sentence before I mark. Correct your sentence, Princess Ezenwa. Correct your sentence before I mark. I wait for you. Correct your sentence before I mark. Princess Ezenwa, I wait for you to do that. Now let me mark. Okay, Dominic. Okay, that's good. You are in here. Let's mark. The first person Chikezie, agwala ha maka ya, correct. Nnake second, agwala ya maka ya, mba, but you corrected yourself down here. Agwala ha maka ya, corrected. Clement Emehe, agwala ha maka ya, correct. Ruchi, agwala ha maka ya, correct. Princess, okay, I'd say you should correct yourself. Princess, have you done that? What you wrote here is not correct. It's not Ekwela, it's Agbala. Tochi Uba, Agbala Hamakaya, correct. Dominic, Agbala Hamakaya, correct. Sunshine, Agbola Hama. No, it's not Agbola, it's Agwala. Agwala. Where you put U should be A. Okay. Dominic, Agwakwala Hamakaya is also correct, but Agbala is a short form of Agwakwala, so it's almost the same word, right, Dominic? Okay, thank you for this. I don't know, I doubt if we can do one more word. I doubt. The time is fast spent. I've hit almost 1 hour, 30 minutes. I don't want to exceed that. Many of you came in late, but quite a number of you started earlier with us, which we appreciated. The time is always 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 13:00 GMT. We should try to come in on time so we can follow through the class. By the way, this is a free live class, but like I always say, nothing is free. So if you think we're doing well, you need to appreciate us, why not give us super thanks or super chat or super sticker to say thank you for the effort we are making, for the time, for the resources you are putting into this. Nothing is free. Anything that is free is paid for by somebody. So be part of the sponsors, be part of the contributors, be part of those who are promoting the effort we are making to preserve Igbo language and help generations unborn. So why not give us a super chat, a super sticker right now? Drop it now. On the chat bar, you see by your right a $sign there. Hit the $sign. It will give you options of what you want to give us. Select it, make payment, and they drop it here right away. Why not? Others have done that. You too can do that. And then remember to buy our books. They are important, especially for newcomers and then for beginners. Our books are so helpful. They come in text, pictures, downloadable audios that you can listen to even when you are offline. Why not? At a very cheap price, $1 to $3, you get any of our books, and the books are easily accessible. This particular live session and the previous ones, you open the description box, you see a link to our bookshop, go to our homepage and look at our channel description as the homepage. You will see the link to our bookshop. Go to community tab in our homepage, hit the community tab. It will open the community. You see the advert of our books there. They all contain link to our bookshop. Hit the link, buy any of our books today, and you'll be glad you did. While we wait for that, we just need to hear from you. Is there anything you want us to do better than what we are doing now? And you think we're not doing well, we should change or anything? I need to hear from you. But if you think all is okay, can you just give us a thumbs up, give us a handshake, say anything? Okay, Christian Woj, my husband is Igbo. Christian Woj, my husband is Igbo. That's great. That's why you need to learn Igbo language. Christian, you are coming in late to the class, but I don't know whether you heard me. You need to buy our ebooks. They will help you so much. They have text, pictures, and audio. You will get them, you see them very helpful. Christine, I'm talking to you now. How do you get them? I've explained earlier. Did you hear when I explained it? Christine, did you hear me on how to get our ebooks? So you can listen to the basic things you need to know, the rudiments, the alphabets, and every other thing. You hear me pronounce them and read the book for you because you can download the audio and listen and look at the books. Did you hear how to get it? I accidentally run across your site. Oh yeah. So let me explain to you. Christ Time Watch. This is very helpful to you. We run so many programs to help every of our Igbo wives and husbands or friends or children. First, we have our ebooks that comes with audio, text, and pictures. And the books are easily accessible and so cheap. Between $1 to $3, you buy any of them. and they are important for new beginners to start with. How do you get the books? You go to our homepage, subscribe to our channel, go to our homepage, open our channel description, you will see a link to our bookshop. Hit the community tab in our homepage. You will see adverts of our books, and they contain the link to our bookshop. Hit the link, get there. Not only that, you can also, oh, Sunshine, thank you for your gift. We appreciate so much. God bless you. Okay, I was still talking about how to get the book. You can also open our previous live sessions, or this one we are talking about now. When they uploaded, you will see a link in the description box of all the live videos we have. You will see a link to our bookshop. These are avenues through which you can access the books. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. And when you buy the books and you have any challenge, let me know on how to download the audio. If it's not working well, let me know. Please, it's important. Send me email if you have challenge to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is my channel name. No space. Put it together @gmail.com. We also offer live classes. In case you are interested in having a live class with us, we offer live one-on-one classes. If you are interested, send us a request via our email, theigbotutor@gmail.com. We're talking about live private classes if you want that. So in whichever way you do that, you will find them very helpful. Thank you for coming to class today. Thank you for participating. Thank you, Sunshine, for your gift. I appreciate every one of you. Chineke goziegi. That's how we say, God bless you. See you next Saturday. Stay strong. Be happy. God is good. Chineke idema. Kodi kemesia. That's how we say, till next time. Kemesia.